Brendan Rice swim tutorial demonstrated by Adam Kapusta. All 4 strokes will be showed in this video. Butterfly. Butterfly is the first stroke in the individual medley. It is characterized by a 2-arm recovery over the water and a butterfly kick, meaning that your legs are together while kicking. Watch now as Adam demonstrates it in full speed. Backstroke. Backstroke is the second stroke in the individual medley. It is important to alternate hands and do a flutter kick while swimming backstroke. Additionally, while under the water, your arms should be at a 90-degree angle in order to maximize propulsion. Watch as Adam demonstrates backstroke in full speed. Breaststroke. Breaststroke is the third leg of the individual medley. It is different from the other strokes in that most of your power comes from your legs. You will move your legs in a circular motion and touch the heels at the end, and then in a separate motion, move your arms in a circle to recover and then repeat. Now witness Adam swim breaststroke in full speed. Freestyle. The final leg of the individual medley is freestyle. You can do whatever you want while swimming freestyle events, but this is the most efficient method. You usually do about 3 kicks for every stroke, and similar to backstroke, you alternate hands with a 90-degree angle under the water. Now watch Adam finally finish swimming freestyle. Thanks for